Hello everyone, welcome back to Arun Commerce and Management Academy. Today's video is for MBA first year first sem and the subject is economics for managers. Today we will see the most important essay questions and short questions. Before going to start the video, if you are new to our channel and who are not subscribed till now, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload the video. So let's start. So in essay type questions, you need to answer any 5 questions out of 10 questions. Each question carries 10 marks, means 5 into 10, 50 marks. So in short questions, you need to answer 5 questions. Each question carries 4 marks, that is 5 into 4, 20 marks. In part A, that is short questions, there is no choice. You need to answer all 5 questions. Now we will see the important essay questions from Unit 1. Unit 1, that is Introduction to Managerial Economics. So these are some of the most important questions, like define managerial economics and discuss its scope and nature. Explain how managerial economics has its roots in economics and management. Does it have any link with other subjects? Support your answer. Then discuss the salient features and significance or importance of managerial economics. Then what is economics? Explain the use of econometric models in decision making. Then explain concept of EP marginal principle. Then explain the basic concepts of opportunity cost and discounting principle with examples. Then explain the role and functions of managerial economist in a business firm. Then from Unit 2, that is theory of utility and demand. So these are the most important questions, like critically examine the law of diminishing marginal utility and define demand. What is demand analysis? What are the determinants of demand? Then critically examine the theory of law of demand with its limitations. Then what is law of demand? Explain the different types of elasticity of demand. Then what is price elasticity of demand? Explain with relevant examples. How is utility analysis helpful in studying consumer behavior? Discuss. Then here you might be getting some problems on measurement of elasticity also. So please practice that problems on elasticity. Then Unit 3, production and cost structure. So here the questions will be from theories of production, like what is production function? Explain in detail different types of production function. Then what is production function? Explain Cobb-Douglas production function. Critically examine the law of variable proportions. Then explain cost output relationship in short and long run. Then explain the concept of law of diminishing returns to scale and returns to scale. Then here you might be getting some problems in choice on BEP analysis. So practice the problems on BEP analysis also. Unit 4, market and market behavior. So here these are the important questions, like what is market? Explain the criteria for market classification. Then explain the price and output determination in perfect competition. Then what is monopolistic competition? Explain its features and explain how price is determined in monopolistic competition. Then what is monopoly? How price and output are determined under monopoly. Then what is oligopoly? Explain price determination under monopoly and oligopoly. Then what is virtual market? State the characteristics, advantages and disadvantages of virtual market places. Then Unit 5, it is macroeconomics. These are the questions, like explain the concept, nature and methods of measuring national income. Then what is inflation? What are the types, causes and consequences of inflation? Then explain the Keynesian theory of employment. Discuss the tools or instruments of fiscal policy. Define budget. Discuss the classification and highlights of Union Budget 2021 and 22. Now let's see the short questions unit wise. From Unit 1, that is Introduction to Managerial Economics. So these are the most important questions. So here in short questions, that is part A, there is no choice. So you need to answer all 5 out of 5 questions. So these are the most important questions from unit 1, like opportunity cost, discounting principle, equimarginal concept, incremental principle, distinguish between risk and uncertainty. Unit 2, theory of utility and demand. Why do demand curves slope downwards? Then arc elasticity of demand, demand function, cross elasticity of demand, determinants of demand, price elasticity of demand. Then unit 3, it is production and cost structure. So these are the important questions, like peak load pricing, learning curves, production function, Cobb-Douglas production function, break-even analysis, marginal cost and average cost, isocost curve. 4, market and market behavior. These are the important questions, like agriculture market committees, what is virtual market, oligopoly, market structure, kinked demand curve, differentiate between perfect competition and monopoly. From unit 5, that is macroeconomics, these are the most important questions, like current budget, define fiscal policy, wartime inflation, scarcity inflation and peacetime inflation. Then aggregate supply schedule, key savings, inflation, then GDP, GNP and NNP. So these are the most important short questions from all the units. I hope so this content will be helpful for your economics for managers exam preparation. If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.